Hi, I'm today's host, Cheryl from ZCOM Taiwan. The upcoming live stream will be presented by our India team. Asu, say hello to everyone.
Hi, how are you?
And Shashman.
Sheshmani?
Hi,
Yeah, hi.
Shashman. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then your turn. You can introduce the products.
Okay, so now we will introduce the product. Okay.
Hi, Asu. It's your time. You can start right now.
Okay. Okay. Hi, this is Akhukesh from ZCOM from Zeneker India Private Limited. Uh, I'm senior manager here for the products, and we have multiple products for the demonstration today. On your on ZCOM behalf, we are introducing our products, multiple products, outdoor units, indoor units. So first of all, I will show you our indoor unit, which is AS240. This is the indoor device having power of 15 dBm gain and 4 dBi antenna gain. It has two ports. One is for connectivity, means power on through a PoE adapter or a PoE switch. Second port is for LAN connectivity if we want to connect some device with this to give a network from the AP. It also have a reset button. If you see, if there is some issue with the access point, we are not able to access the access point, we forget the IP address of the access point, and we want to make it factory default for any reason, we will use this switch. We press this switch for 10 seconds and the equipment becomes reset. This is the front side of the access point. It has three LEDs. One is WLAN, upper one is power, below one is WAN, and lower side is WLAN. So when the power is on, this AP will show this light, and when it will switch on and everything process done and broadcasting the SSID, all the three LEDs will glow. And yes, all the APs are dual band, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. This AP works as a standalone and also works with controller. This is our indoor access point AS240. And another product is SP230. This is an outdoor device. It has IP67 rating. This also have a two ports. One is for PoE, and another one is also a LAN port. This device also have a capability that it have a PoE out function. Means if some camera will be connected with this device directly, and the camera have a probability, a possibility of a PoE, then it will switch on by a PoE switch. So this port helps that device to connect by the PoE switch. Okay. This will be used as an outdoor unit, and somehow it's a very small in size, so that will also be used inside also for indoor Wi-Fi also. This device will be used as for a point-to-point communication also for a distance of 6 kilometer, 5 kilometer for a backhauling. That also works in this respect. Okay. we have a device which is named as 0. It's an outdoor unit having two ports. This is SP220C01. It has two ports. One is for PoE connectivity, and the second port is a fiber connection. That we will connect this device through a fiber switch or through a fiber cable. I will remove that port. This is fiber port, and we have a fiber module. So we will insert that module inside this device. And we will connect a cable through this device, and it will be linked with that device, a fiber device or a fiber switch or a media converter, and it will work for single mode fiber. It will work with a multi-mode of fiber. So distance you have no bars, so it will be connected. This device have a indoor internal antenna. The gain of that antenna is 6 dBA. This is also a 2.45 gigahertz dual band radio. This is AP also connect with the controller as a thin AP, and it will also act as a standalone AP, which is a flat AP. It had a mounting also, that here we will connect a mounting and connect with this steel cable, so that it will be like an anti-theft work, also anti-theft, and we will put wherever we want to connect it. Okay. So these are the three devices we have, and another device. This is a C01. We have a C02 having both the same ports, but one port, that fiber port, is not available in that. Everything is same. Antenna again is same. Only this will be a Ethernet port. Then we have a C03, SP220C03. That also have a two Ethernet port, but that doesn't have a internal antenna. That have a external antenna. Two external antenna, 5 gigahertz, so that we will connect for a longer distance of 10 kilometer, 12 kilometer by using this radio. So these are the models of access.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Sheshmani Bhardwaj this side from Zeneker India Private Limited. We are India production partner of ZCOM. ZCOM is a Taiwan-based manufacturing company, Taiwan-based OEM, situated in the Hsinchu Science Park of Taiwan, having its own research and manufacturing center for wireless and networking systems. It is a 27-year-old organization with a dedication to advancing wireless networking technology. Over the past 3 decades, the company has accumulated extensive R&D capabilities and international cooperation experience. The business encompasses OEM, ODM, EMS, contract manufacturing, and brand operation under ZCOM brand. ZCOM is known for its slogan, "One connected world, one wireless dream." ZCOM offers professional wireless networking equipment and solutions driven by the core value of technical expertise, innovation, thinking, and customer-centric approach. We are in India from the last 2015. In India, we did many prestigious projects, like we did BSNL project of US overfunding, in which we installed more than 12,000 of access points in the South India region. We also installed our ZCOM WLC in Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, knock locations of BSNL. Other than this, we also have a installation base of our APs in CSE, Common Service Center, in Gram Panchayats of India, under the vision of Honorable PM Narendra Modi of Digital India. Other than this, if I talk the installation base of our APs in India, we also completed a Member of Parliament residential area, Minister's residential area in Delhi, with approximately 4,000 of access points of ZCOM brand. Same, the inner outer circle of Connaught Place, which is a heart of Delhi in India, is also public Wi-Fi through our devices. Recently, we completed a prestigious project in India of Bharti Airtel. All the stores of Bharti Airtel across India are running through our devices. So this is a small briefing what we did and what we are doing in India through our devices. We backed by a professional R&D team and technical experts. ZCOM OEM provides advanced wireless network product and solution. ZCOM encourages innovation and it strives for excellence, consistently adapting to market dynamic and customer requirement. The continuous innovation result in the latest technology and product covering diverse area such as wireless devices, controllers, and network management software. We are helping our customers to build stable and efficient wireless network environment. We are committed to continuously improving the product and our services. We also did Golden Temple Wi-Fi project in India, and also with the Supreme Court project and going to install our indoor AS240 APs in the Supreme Court of India, and it's really a very prestigious project for us that we are installing our APs in the Supreme Court of India. We are actively participating, or we are actively participates in the wireless network market of India and China, gaining valuable experience. In China, if I talk about China, ZCOM has been involved in major telecommunication equipment deployment for events like 2008 Beijing Olympics and the 2010 Shanghai World Expo. We installed our devices in both of the centers. We are establishing a strong reputation, leveraging the opportunities presented by China urbanization. ZCOM contributes to smart city construction and align its offering with the IoT network applications. In India, we are actively supporting the Digital India policy of Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji, promoting wireless network technology and smart city development with the core technology and practical experience. We have achieved significant success in these projects. We are based on the experience of wireless product in the research and development and integration with AIoT application development. We have launched better solutions and promoted our products to the world market. We have our presence in India, China, Taiwan, Bangladesh, Singapore, and many other countries. The main products include wireless LAN controllers, indoor, outdoor Wi-Fi access points, serial device server, industrial cellular gateway, and edge computing platform. If I talk about our indoor AP range, we start AS240 model with an entry level indoor access point by Qualcomm chipset in AX device of this AS240. It's a dual band concurrent AP with real-time new MIMO technology support. That means the uplink and downlink transmission is ultra fast and improves the transmission speed to 25% as compared to 802.11 AC. If I compare this device from the Wi-Fi 5, it's a Wi-Fi 6 device. If I compare it with the Wi-Fi 5 device, it is approximately 25% faster than the AC device or Wi-Fi 5 device. Moreover, AS240 is cost-effective product. It's our cost-effective product, ideal for medium density environment such as retail stores, branch offices, SMB segment. All of these APs are managed by ZCOM WLC, means wireless LAN controllers. After this, we have a product which is outdoor SP230 AP. This is our SP230 device, which is IP67 and have a wide temperature range of -40 to 70 Celsius. They withstand the harsh environment. This is perfect for the outdoor scenario, such as rural area solar plant applications. It's having 5 dBi of antenna gain. In this, we have another model with approximately same name. It's SP230, and the other device which we are having is SP230S5. The basic difference between both of these devices is the SP230S5 provides us a point-to-point purpose. Actually, the SP230S5 have 11 dBi antenna gain, which is embedded antenna, and provide a long range for the point-to-point purpose. These devices are new generation product with Wi-Fi new generation product technology product with longer transmission and robust design. It contains new MIMO technology, OFDMA. Similarly, we also have another device which is SP250 device. It's an AX device of ZCOM brand. It is made for a harsh environment, having IP67 features with a very great model structure. Our SP250 device having certificate of FCC CE, having a wide temperature range, same -40 to 70 degree. It is perfect for the outdoor purpose, and it's a Wi-Fi 6 device. It's a 802.11ax device having target wake-up time, TWT, real reminder, newest modulation standards. In these scenario, this model scenario, yeah, sorry, this one is our AS250 device, SP250 device,
Wi-Fi 6.
no, Wi-Fi 6 device. Other than this, we have a range in the model SP220. In the model SP220, we have three variants of this 220 model. One is SP220C01, one is SP220C02, one is SP220C03. Well, I talk about SP220C01. It's a SFP based device. It's have a fiber uplink port. You can directly with the input of fiber to this AP. It's have a 5 dBi of antenna gain, and SP220C02 is having LAN port in respect of this fiber port. Both devices are having many common things. The only big difference is this, that it's having it's having a LAN port, and SP220C01 is having SFP port. SP220C03 is used for point-to-point purpose. It has slots for the directional antenna, which can transmit the data from one point to another point for the approximated distance of 8 to 10 kilometers.
15 kilometers.
And if the range of this device for the point-to-point purpose is also depends on the line of sight. What line of sight is we are having? If the line of sight is good, we can also transmit the data more than 10 kilometers to it can be between 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers. Yeah. Now I am handovering again to our support manager. He will tell about these devices technically to you. Good afternoon. So let's have a brief example of our devices. Let's start with SP230. This is SP230 device. It's having two models, one is SP230 and one is SP230S5. 230 is basically for outdoor Wi-Fi communication. And it's having an antenna gain of 5 dBi, having two Ethernet ports. One is for PoE powering on the device. Another one is PoE out, means PoE in, PoE out. By the PoE out port, we will connect another PoE device which supports PoE and doesn't need any extra power. Only we will connect this port to that device, and that device will work like small APs or cameras and other devices which you use for security purposes, having a capability of PoE. So this is basically 230 model for outdoor Wi-Fi.
Then we have another device, same, everything is same, only the antenna gain difference. It having an antenna gain of 11 dBA. So it will communicate for a long distance like 6 kilometer, 3 to 6 kilometer for backhaul connectivity, and also coverage also. It will also give a coverage of in a 360 for 100 or 200 meters. It has also the same thing, so that we will connect devices, different devices with them. So we will connect this device for point to multi-point, like with there is a base station in a central location, and we want to connect multiple APs, multiple 230 with that base station. So we will use this device without using any external antenna or external antenna port. We will connect this device to a central device in a range of 6 kilometer, 3 to 6 kilometer. So it will work as a point to multi-point communication.
200 to 300 Mbps throughput also.
It will give a 200 to 300 Mbps of throughput also. It's a AC device, 802.11 AC. So it have a dual band 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and it will be easily give a speed of 200 to 300 Mbps in a certain distance. So this is SP230 SR device. Then we have another device that is for indoor purpose, that is AS240. It's a AX device having a 2 cross 2 stream, 12 Mbps on 5 gigahertz and 547 on 2.4 gigahertz. It having an internal antenna of 4 dBi and a power of 15 dBm. Power of 20 dBm.
Okay. So
We have a case study for SP230. So real-time video surveillance without disconnection to replace costly and old wired cables by wireless networks. So the solution like that is point-to-point connectivity, point-to-multipoint connectivity, outdoor access points will be connected by these features like high bandwidth data transmission, point-to-multipoint network deployment, cost saving on cable and fiber optics cable installation, support port forwarding for remote monitoring. As public security issue becomes more and more important, the demand for traffic surveillance and security is increasing. According to research, there are more than 1 lakh intersection monitors in Taiwan. ZCOM works with intersection surveillance system integrators SI deploying point-to-point, point-to-multipoint outdoor access points at the intersection in Hinchu Science Park to provide real-time surveillance images to the Science Park Bureau and police station. The benefits of SP230 over 25 years experience in wireless industry enables ZCOM to adopt multi-segment point-to-point transmission and choose the best locations for AP deployment. After evaluating deployment environment, it not only optimizes the transmission performance but also eliminates the huge cost associated with running fiber cables. Sufficient bandwidth is a must for high-resolution cameras to maintain stable video transmission quality. By cooperating with the SI, the Science Park Bureau and police station are able to collect the real-time surveillance information and maximize the effectiveness of the security and traffic surveillance system. So we have a Q&A prize quiz section for this one. One, which two awards did ZCOM receive last year? Second, which product did ZCOM win Taiwan Excellence? And how long can SP230S5 transmit at maximum with what bands? If you know the answer, please send out the correct answers through the live chat and leave your email. The first 5 correct responses will receive a product discount code. The discount code can be used until the end of September this year. Thanks for your watching today. We hope you are enjoying today's program. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you again for watching. Thank you.
没有，没有出现，是哎那边有出现，OK 开选密码。